And here this little hawk showed up looking for an easy meal at the bird feeders, with a nearby goldfinch keeping a watchful eye on the hawk. Here a female bluebird is checking out our nest box. Here some house sparrows have joined Mama Cardinal and Papa Bluebird. And now the snow begins to fly, and the cardinal's feeding, and the house finches are feeding behind, and a chickadee joins them. The snow is really starting to fall hard as the junco looks on. And here's Mama Cardinal feeding. The snow is really falling as the juncos take over the feeders. The snow is really coming down hard now as the cardinal is trying to find something to eat, and the chickadee joins him. The male bluebird seems to be standing guard over the feeders as the others feed. The snow is really piled up now as the jays look for food. And this hawk showed up to see what all the commotion was about. The snow let up and the birds came in to feed.